Hello everyone! So we're currently here in Ballina and we are going to spend our Easter weekend in here. From Ballina we rode this ferry. It will take us to South Ballina, which will save us around 30 minutes of travel time by riding this ferry, and it only cost us around $7 one way. As you can see, we are very eager to fish. As soon as we hit South Ballina, we are very much ready to catch our first Tailor of the year. This is our very first time to fish here in South Ballina, and so far, it's all looking good. Galon of fish, and I believe we got, where was it? There's the fish here. Ta-da! Let's see the fish. Ay, saan si fish? Ando. Naara di si fish. There it is. Yan na. We are with Kuya Calvin and Ate Angie, also known as Australian Hilaw on YouTube and Facebook, as well as Fillmore, Sheila, and Felicity. Ay, siyenta ka na. Bahala na. Guys, hello. Ano siya ang taga, isa sa ikog, isa sa tunga, ug isa sa ulo. Dubok na gani niya mo ang paon. Ikaon ra gyapon. Labay nga casting. Mag-wait na dayon mi daari. Ako na dayon mo'y daani. Wait na lang. O na, ga-cellphone pamanggod. Mauna ni siya. Kabuhi ng isda. Gutman jud ani ron. Labay na po. Tigpakaon na lang ko sa mga isda ani kay di man ko kakuha. Nag-fishing silang duha. Yay! Ay, flathead! Flathead! Okay, nagyapon! Yay! Ito, naka-isda na siya sa Fillmore.
Sa wakas,
catfish. Hello? Happy cook fresh water in it. It's going back to the sea. Naku, itong catfish na to. May naik taga sa bigas. Oh yes. Wala na guys, it's raining. It's more than in New South Wales, it's 30 centimeters, isn't it? But then the bag limit is 10 pieces. Fishy fish. Ay, nanahog. It's raining. Back up, sa.
We're going back to the mainland.
It's not really a mainland. In Ballina. Because we're in South Ballina at the moment.
Oh, yeah.
Going back to Wow, yeah, quite early. Double demerit points today. Double fine. Good morning. I lost my voice. It's day 2 today here in Ballina, and I can hardly speak. We're here again in South Ballina because this is where we're going to fish. Say hi.
We're in the car right now. It's going quite fast, so that's why the phone keeps on falling over.
Guys, fish is biting. Well done, Kuya! Well done, baby! Awesome, Kuya! Wow! That's a big one, yeah? Nice! Today is a good day to fish. The fish are really biting. And we're getting Tailor in here at the moment. It's a really good size. Yay! Utang yun eh. Pwede ko. And it's my turn. Cast again. There are lots of blue bubble along the beach. And obviously in the water too. My bait is gone. Go, Filmar! Somehow I'm not getting anything. But Caden got a lot already. I think he got 2 or 3, and then now he's resting because he said it has worn out his arms. Seryoso na kayang papangisda. Okay guys, yan na. Ako ng fish. And then, I'll let Pio take the fish. Ako na po diri. Kanati! Tara! Oh, dapuwa kayo, oy!
Ano man di siya? Nakaduha na daw siya. Ingat siya.
My arms are worn out. Hala guys, dako kayo ang brim. Aray! Murag Tailor. Dako kayo, in fairness.
Ala, sige doon. Batik. Sige. Agoy, nawala. Sige lang, sige lang. Asaran din, untag magkuha na. Ano na, nagkamag-ambak ng isda, makita na. Ala. Sige pa, Jud. Ala, nibalik. Ala, nibalik ang isda.
Na. Yan na. Oh, isda na mo. Kunin mong paon. Okay, try ko na naman. Baka ako lang ang hinihintay ng isda. Ako rin siguro gitagat sa isda. Na, wala na po. Giluwa ra akong paon. Yan na guys. Another Tailor. Wee wee. Okay. Asan ang isda? Ayun pa. Nawala ang isda. It's okay. Nakuha ra jud. Wala na jud ko ni saba ato guys kay basin ako may naka-jinx. Da jud dako kayong da. Lamoy man ang tama-tama niya. Grabe, kini sila kakatulba. Oh? Blue bubble jellyfish. Ikaon ra ang paonsa. Sige lang. It's okay. Okay, maglantaw ta sa mga guha, sa mga isda. Tan! Palingin ko tatari sa pikas. Tadan! Wala nga itong isda. Wala. Kira. Ano isda?
Kuha na no, taok na.
Taok na. Wala ang isda. Our bait.
Oh, ta-da! The fish. Tailor. Dylan.
Jellyfish tank.
Did you?
Neno ba ako na dayon ka?
Oh. Balik ka nagsikisi. Third is a charm. Lantaw na ito ni magkarga ba? Ikatulo na dyan ni siyang tang-tang. Ala, ito na. Agay. Kamay na ligo lang. Da. Nagkarga na dyan. Katulong balik. Nakuha ra dyan siya. Okay, okay. Dana. Nahinay rin sila. Dili jud kayo siya anang feeding frenzy. Nagsatagsa lang. Pero okay ra gyapon kay 10 raman ang limit ani niya per person. There is a New South Wales, so all good. And then gamay pod siya og size limit kay 30 centimeters. Sa Queensland, 20 pieces ang bag limit, pero ang size limit niya is 35 sa Queensland. Bleeding the fish. Go, go, go! Kuya Calvin, in action. O, Vilmar, tabay na. Purag dibalik na sila. Oh, da. Si Kuya Calvin, mo ni siya may bana ni Australianang hilaw sa YouTube. Oh.
Kapit.
Kapit tanggal. Gamay like ko lang. Ay, di, sakto nun.
Ako sarang ang tumaray na kapit.
Ibalik sila. Ay, kumbate, Vilmar! Allah! Kumbate, Jud! Sige, birada! Lapit na! Ayan na, nakakuha na, Jud.
Kere.
Nasa inyong gihimo, guys? Are you eating? Careful, Dylan. Sandcastle. That's nice.
Since I didn't brought my toys again, then
Oh.
the play with
It's okay, it's okay. So,
I'm gonna feed it to the birds.
okay.
It's fun to feed it to the birds. Please.
Dylan, look at Papa Dylan. Look at Pa.
Oh, look, Ballina.
Look, there's a fish. Yay! Oh, kani may 30. Kani mo Queensland 35.
35.
Ah, kani siya 35 ni.
Oh.
Kana, oh, saktor kayo. Aga Queensland man ang kuang kuan. New South Wales man dahil ni. Kana, te! Woo! Wala, dako kay Tio! Dako kay siya, tambo kayo! Bayag! Nay,
Kaya ka tayo. Skip rin.
nahurot na ang amuang mga pasol. Ay, anong dili man mo iisa ni? Napasa na na mo ang sanay na. So, panahon namang limpias mga isda. Dili siya daghan kayo pareho sa freezer, pero abundant siya gapon kayo. Salamat gapon kayo sa Ginoo Jud sa tanang crush siyang nadawat.
Nalaban na yung kilaw na. Kuan na pre. Taga pre na inyang mga sindulan ako. Biskut sorry.
Back up, clean up. Tiyo. Ano niro ng resulta guys among pag-fishing karong buntag. Nahurot na among mga paon. Paon yung kuha. Pila ka katao nag-fishing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 may katao nga ga-fishing. And ang bag limit ani is 10 per person. Ubay-ubay, Diyos, salamat sa Ginoo. Wala mo ko ha.
Kana kayo eh.
Da. Wala mo yung mga main fisherman. Dayon ang mga part-time fisher kids. Ang mga part-time kids to na dito gikapoy nagbinira.
Picture ko.
So, yan na. Tailor, where's my little brim?
Ha?
The brim, little brim is there.
Oh sige.
I mean, it's not little.
it's the same size as a Tailor. So huge. Gayap mo?
Naghanap po ka.
Nagan na.
Upat, kurita.
Ay, wala ta kaabot og 40. Wala ta kaabot og 40.
Kaya pinti naman na.
Ako na
Kuha na.
Oh.
Kuha na.
Ayun.
Ikaw wala.
Di ko ana lagi siya permit. Kinahanglan man permit diri sa New South Wales. Dayon, mga bata kay libre man. Ang mga bata under 18.
Libre o.
Wala sila bayad sa permit.
Pero, pwede lang.
Pwede sila mag-fishing.
Kami lang bata.
Ay, Kaden, nag-fishing once Kaden. Kabalo mo, giunsa ni siya. Ngano ning ginani. Kay mag-picture man sila. Sa mga wala nakakuyog. Naamoy bahin ani tanan. Ilabi na si Kuya Arman. Mao ni may kuha nila ron. Happy ka sila. So in a span of 4 hours, mo ni may kuha na mo tanan. Bugat kayo mga karga guys. Kadaghan man may kuwag isda para buyag. Kaluyan sa Ginoo. Pero ang pagdahik, balik sa sakyanan. Dito na dyan ni Ron. Ayun na lang. Effort di kayong pagbalik sa sakyanan. Daghan kayong karga. Ako mga lingkuranan, bags, cooler bag, everything else.
Actually have Mario Brother race cars.
Same.
Same.
Look. Oh yeah,
Same,
it's in here.
Where is it?
Oh guys.
Holiday, baron abre ron.
Holiday pa ba? Lunes ang holiday.
Buwan ang karbing.
Barbecue, Jod. Turon, uguban pa.
Nay mula bay kape.
We're going back again to main Ballina because we have already run out of bait and we're almost at our back limit. I think we're just going to come back again tomorrow maybe just to catch a little bit more because we're going to give it out to our friends, but just right on hopefully back limit. That's the lodge, the ferry, and we're just waiting for it to dock and then offload the oncoming cars, and then Clea Calvin, our car, and Fillmore and Sheila's car there.
Look at
What happened there?
Big shrimp.
Oh look,
Giant.
there's a giant prawn.
No, that's a giant shrimp.
A giant shrimp, yeah. They call
it's very
it.
giant. I
They
saw
call-
it 3 times.
Yes, they call it prawn here in Australia. Look at the giant prawn. It's massive. Ballina. Okay. All this jujube. Dinerito. Isda. day 2 and we are already packed up. We're gonna have breakfast. Ta-da! So we are getting ready again for another fishing day. So we have decided that we're not gonna go back to our accommodation anymore. So we have packed all our belongings, ready to go home later after fishing. And just filling out the kids' water bottle, because then we'll be at the beach for maybe until midday. Shivers. Nalibang.
Okay ha. Pwede na pala tao.
Nalibang. Taga na mamaak ko eh.
Tuwan na oh.
Go, kuya.
Hala.
Go, kuya.
Wala ito yan. Go kuya, go. Go kuya, go.
North. Oh, Tailor. Go, kuya, go. Nice. Awesome. First fish of the day. Wow.
Oh, stop.
That's massive, yeah. Look at that. Wow, kuya, awesome. Good job.
Nakakuha na po sila dito. Tailor.
look how big that is. Awesome.
That Tailor?
Yeah. Well done. Also, okay. Go for it, babe. Go, go, go. Yeah.
O lagi, sa di mo mabantayan. Dapat dili day buyante kay basig nagkuan ka ba? Swertihon si this lady ba? La, nana. Swerte di ka live ba? For Kuya Buyag.
Kuya Buyag. Po, yung wisi-wisi yung pagkaon.
Giluwa niya.
Ginawa niya.
It's my flathead. Awesome. Another fish for Pa. Oh, Dylan got a fish. Nice catch, baby. Can you put it here? Yeah, ay, in here lang niya. Nak, in here, nak. Oh. Dylan, Mr. Egg Hunter. What did you build, anak? It's okay. It's okay, you can still make it. It's okay, you can fix it. Very nicely done. Wow.
I know how he made it. He used his fist.
Yes?
Not teeth.
It's okay, yeah, you can build your own.
Wait a second. How you made it so long?
Maybe you can put your feet in. Oh dear.
Wait a second. You need to make this.
Yeah, a bit bigger.
It's bigger.
Oh, naana na isod. Oh, tura oh. Oh.
Video.
Kuya. You go. Don't hold it in there. What? Kuya. Okay, I'll help Kuya. Do not cover with your finger here. Okay. Make sure he's in the center like that. Up a little bit like that. Do it. Don't cover with your fingernails. Ay, it's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay, it's okay. Well done. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, mo na jog mermaid si Felicity.
Standing on my way.
Felicity is not a horse. Ay, a mermaid po, Dylan. Oh. Yeah, yeah. Go, yeah. Go. Yeah. Get Papa's phone yan. Okay. Go. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Keep on going.
That's okay.
It's okay. It's okay. You did well. So good, so good. Nice drawing, Dylan. Who's that? Is it Papa? Yeah. Heart. Can you draw a heart? What happened? Okay, you're drawing again. Thank you.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Fly hard with a vengeance.
Goodbye, giant shrimp.
Southport Burley Road towards Burley HDS.
Thank you all for watching, guys, and we hope you really enjoyed it. Until next time, bye.